Hi everyone, as you can see on the screen, 20,000 students have signed online petition seeking postponement of UPSC CSE Prelims 2020 examination. The prelims exam is scheduled for October 4, merely 2 weeks before the Union Public Service Commission Prelims 2020. Students are seeking a postponement of the examination amidst the coronavirus outbreak. Close to 20,000 students have signed an online petition to postpone the exam. Further, you can see Civil Service Exam 2020. Supreme Court issues notice to UPSC and Centre on plea seeking postponement of upcoming test. Now, there are many students who are saying, many people, many teachers, and many educators, many students who are spreading this rumor now definitely prelims 2020 will be postponed. But let me tell you that I don't think so that it will be postponed. Why? Why do I think in this manner? Right, contrary to the other educators and the other students who are spreading this rumor that prelims 2020 will be postponed. Because see, only few days, 9 to 8 days are left for prelims 2020. Right. In these months, because the last exam was in the month of May. Now in these months, 4 months, for 4 months the exam was delayed. So in these 4 months, amidst the lockdown, amidst this pandemic, UPSC has already prepared the centers, right? UPSC has already done the necessary adjustments, right? Everything, and already planned how to conduct the examination, how they are going to place the students, how they are going to make the seating arrangements, etc. Now, before 9 to 8 days before the exam, if this petition has been filed or if Supreme Court is issuing notice to UPSC and Centre, UPSC very easily can say that we have managed everything in advance. We have maintained social distancing rules, regulation norms. We are going to follow everything, right? Every social distancing norms given by the doctors, prescribed by the doctors. We're also allowing the students to carry sanitizers and wear the gloves and the mask in the examination hall, right? We have done the necessary arrangements. And after this, after UPSC tells the Supreme Court or informs the Supreme Court that they have carried out all the necessary arrangements, they have made all the preparations, all the arrangements for conducting the exam, Supreme Court will be, you can say, convinced very easily. Right? Why? Because see, delaying the exam will result in delaying the training of the future aspirants. It will also result in delaying the filling up of vacancies, right, by UPSC, and it's going to be an administrative disaster in the future, right? And if the UPSC prelims 2020 is delayed or postponed, then it will be merged with 2021, and that is going to be a huge crisis in the functioning of administrative machinery of the country. That is why delaying UPSC prelims 2020 or postponing it is not going to happen according to me. So if this particular notice has been issued, UPSC according to me will give all the necessary details of the management, of the strategy, of the planning that UPSC has done or made in order to ensure the safety of the health of the students. Right? होगा क्या, ये जो नोटिस इशू किया है यूपीएससी ने ऑलरेडी सारी प्लानिंग कर दी है. 4 महीने का टाइम यूपीएससी के पास भी था, सभी सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट, सभी मैनेजमेंट, हर चीज को लेकर 4 महीने का टाइम यूपीएससी ने लिया, राइट? और उसके अकॉर्डिंग सारे सिटिंग अरेंजमेंट, सारी प्लानिंग, सारे सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग नॉर्म्स, एवरीथिंग हैज बीन वेल प्लान्ड बाय यूपीएससी. सो इजीली यूपीएससी सुप्रीम कोर्ट को कन्विंस कर सकता है कि हमने सभी नेसेसरी अरेंजमेंट्स किए हुए हैं स्टूडेंट्स की सेफ्टी को इंश्योर करने के लिए, और ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं होगा जिससे स्टूडेंट्स की सेफ्टी पर थोड़ा सा भी कह सकते हो आप डेंजर हो या थोड़ा सा भी हार्म पहुंचे, राइट? सो लेट्स सी व्हाट विल बी द रिजल्ट, बिकॉज 28 सितंबर को हियरिंग होगी इसकी. ऑन 28 सितंबर वी विल see the hearing of the Supreme Court, the final verdict of Supreme Court. But according to me, there is no need to panic. मेरे हिसाब से पैनिक होने की जरूरत नहीं है, because I think UPSC is going to conduct prelims 2020 definitely on 4th October. Prelims 2020 4th October को होने ही वाला है definitely, कोई इसमें शक नहीं है. So you need to not panic and you need to prepare as if you are preparing for 4th October 2020. उसी हिसाब से prepare कीजिए जैसे आप कर रहे थे. पैनिक होने की जरूरत नहीं है, आराम से पढ़ाई कीजिए अपनी. right? So this is just a plea. This is just a question asked by Supreme Court. The only a notice has been issued to respond to this petition. सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बस एक नोटिस इशू किया है सेंटर को और यूपीएससी को कि इस पिटीशन पे रिस्पॉन्ड बताओ, क्या आपका क्या रिस्पॉन्स है, राइट? सुप्रीम कोर्ट इज आस्किंग जस्ट फॉर अ रिस्पॉन्स फ्रॉम द सेंटर एंड यूपीएससी, नथिंग एल्स. एंड द फाइनल डिसीजन विल बी टेकन ऑन September 28 by Supreme Court. But I think prelims on October 4, 2020 is definitely going to happen. Right, now let's see Supreme Court क्या decision लेता है. Final verdict तो वही बताएगा. Right, final verdict is in the hands of Supreme Court only. Let's see what will be the decision of Supreme Court in this case. Till then, do not panic, do not be worried, do not be anxious. Just prepare calmly, peacefully for your exam. Thank you.